How to fix if your keyboard is not working on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your keyboard is not working. So if I try to type here anything and your keyboard is not working, then that means you have some problem on your settings. For that, you first need to open Control Panel, or you can just open up your settings first to open up your Control Panel. And once your control panel is open, click on View By and set it to small icon. And from here, you are going to find Ease of Access Center. Click on it. And once you get here, just scroll down until you find your Make Keyboard Easier to Use. So just click on it. And if you have toggled on all of these options, just make sure to toggle off everything like this. So I'm just going to toggle them off, and once you do that, click on Apply and then OK. So once you do that, you can close this out and try to restart your PC once. Once you restart your PC, your keyboard should start working. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.